Hey guys, on today's video we are going to be having just a short clip of how to fix your collar stand to your collar to make it look like a proper shirt collar. So here we have our collar stand and our collar as usual. So what we're going to do is go ahead and sew our collar, our upper collar on both sides. So what I did was I didn't want the up side of the collar, like the upper part of the collar, to look like it was sewn. So I folded it into two and I just cut it the way it is. That's how you see it. So this is what it looks like that. It's just sewn together. The top is not cut whatsoever. So I don't want any sewing to show there. I don't want any tacking to go there. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead now and close both sides, flip it inside out, outside in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when we're done, and I'm done like sewing the sides, and as you can see there's no sewing whatsoever at the top. So I notched the collar stand on both sides, and I'm just going to pin this down on the upper collar as well. It is notched, so both notch parts go together, and then I'm going to sandwich this. So as you notice, they're like two collar stands, and that's because we're going to sandwich the collar in the upper collar into the lower collar. Of course, it's going to serve as the main fabric and the lining. Just look at it that way. Just look at it as the main fabric and the lining. So we're going to go ahead now and sew this by 1/2 inch. But before you sew anything, you want to take your tape and go at the bottom here, because if you flip it over it becomes the bottom, but right now you're looking at it as the top. So you want to go ahead and mark out 1/2 inch there, and that 1/2 inch is, we're not going to sew that place, so we're going to sew up to the 1/2 inch, so you have a space for where your shirt is going to and this is the final product. I just wanted to make this video to help you better understand how to fix your collar stand and your collar together, so you don't have any problems whatsoever, because I know I had this problem when I first started, and I wanted to share my knowledge with you guys. I hope you found this really helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to love yourself, because I love you. Bye.